Hello, Elena.
Peace out.
Peace out. Friday, May 21st. Cuckoo birds.
Cuckoo.
Have you ever called a friend cuckoo?
Cuckoo.
The word cuckoo sounds like the call of the cuckoo bird.
Cuckoo.
The cuckoo bird does some strange things. So when you call a friend cuckoo,
Cuckoo.
you are saying they are strange. The cuckoo bird tricks other birds into taking care of its babies. It does not sit on its own eggs.
Cuckoo.
The cuckoo bird lays its eggs in the nests of small birds, wrens, and sparrows.
Cuckoo.
Take care of their own eggs and the cuckoo egg too. When the eggs hatch, the cuckoo bird is larger than the other baby birds. The baby cuckoo tries to push the other birds out of the nest.
Cuckoo.
It eats so much that it may get bigger than its foster parents. When the cuckoo is 3 weeks old, it leaves the nest.
Cuckoo.
It lives with other cuckoo birds. Later, it will lay eggs in the nests of the same kind of bird that cared for it. Toodles, Elena.
Cuckoo.
Toodles.
Look at the gorgeous flower.